of a shop video. We had a company reach out to us. I guess it's an unofficial sponsor. They didn't pay us, but they did supply us with free product. I've been wanting to do some of these, and it was kind of cool to have a company see the stuff online and reach out and want to work with us. So we got ourselves some LED rock lights. The company's name is LED Factory Mart, and they supplied me with a set of LED rock lights that we can install in the Willys here. So we're going to make a video about that. In fact, that was kind of part of the deal, was to install these and kind of have an unboxing install video on how I'm putting these on the truck. So we'll take you guys along for the ride. Get this thing opened up and I'll show you what's inside the box. We got ourselves a remote, adhesive pads, looks like to stick the LED lights themselves up underneath the vehicle if we need to stick them. It also looks like we can run some screws into those or some hardware to hold them in place. Got some wire harnesses, some extensions, some zip ties. Looks like it also came with some installation hardware if we want to use that. See how we can go about putting these on underneath the vehicle. Let's see what these things look like before we get too far along. I want to fire these things up. I'll try hooking them up to one of my 12-volt batteries here. Let's see how bright these things are. Just need to make sure we're plugging it in the right way so we don't cause any damage. Ooh, they're green. They're pretty bright. Let's see what we got here. Let's go. Pull that tab out of there. Make sure the battery's in there. Let's see what these things look like when they're white. There we go. Looks like they dim and go brighter. Which those are pretty darn bright. You can go different colors with them: blue, green, red, yellow, orange, purple, pink if you want. And they got different modes you can set on here. It goes different colors, different times of day. Flash mode, auto mode, fade mode, jump mode. Goes different colors. You can even set time so they will run for so long and then shut off. Looks like they got ones that go to the music. Yeah, that's kind of cool. They change color to the noise. Anyways, white is pretty bright. Let's get to installing these things. Alright, this thing is going to be a little bit of an unconventional install because the body of the truck's so old and it's been so modified. Of course, this body's just the Willys body, the rest of the truck's Chevy parts underneath, so let's see what we can do about fitting these things right. But I think the front ones we're going to set up here somewhere like so, up under the front fender, so they'll shine down on the wheel. We'll imagine we'll fit some under the middle of the cab here somewhere. So I want 3 on each side, and then we'll do 1 on each end. And then I'll do 1 in the center on the back somewhere, up underneath the bottom there. And then I want to put 1 in the top of the grill. So we'll go up here and take a look at that, see where we can fit one of these up under the grill. And it's just a matter of running the cables where they won't get damaged. I think we can make that work underneath the bottom there. Maybe that'll give you guys a good enough angle to kind of see what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to mount this on the bottom side of this, but I'm going to drill it from the top. So see if those were clean enough holes there. I'm going to punch through. I'll use these 2 different sizes here. Those look like they line up, which they do. Punch them out, drilling these, I'm going to probably use the hardware on all of these. I imagine you could probably use those adhesive pads if you were on a newer vehicle that had a clean surface, where this one's all old and rusty and patinaed. They probably won't stick all that well, so I'm going to try and use the hardware on all of these. Alright, let me go grab some of the hardware and then install those. Two of those. Two of those. And run these through from the bottom side. Well, how's the best way to get in there? Man, it's so cold, all my batteries are dead out here. Plug these into the charger. Alright, we might be able to get my hand in there now. Started. Good to doing it by braille because I can't reach and slide it through at the same time. But looks like we may have just got it. That's good. Come on.
Force is strong in this one.
Alright, let me go grab the tools we need. We'll get that tightened up. There we go. We are in business. Cool. One down, 7 more to go. Guys. Turn the lights off in here, kind of give you an idea. Should light the grill up pretty good. Red, blue, white. Ouch! Pinched my finger. I'm gonna put that roughly there.
Damn it! Oh, fucking damn it!
Oh man, these batteries are not liking the cold today. Hopefully that diesel heater noise ain't too bad going through the camera. It's kind of one of those droney noises that for some reason the camera loves to have a lot more feedback than in real life. So hopefully that's not too annoying for you guys. I'm trying to heat this garage to where I can stand being out here. It's pretty cold today. Alright, I got those mounted. Let's see what we can do about putting these on the back side. Just doing the light. I'll do it by braille anyway. It's tight. Alright. I'm curious. How's that gonna work? By the skin of my teeth. Right now it's just a matter of running all the wires up to the point where everything joins up in the front. So I'll start mounting wires.